Okay, I'm going to attempt to reload this video. YouTube would not let me load it in the original format. Appeared there was some language that they didn't like. So what I did was I'm going to do the entire 1 hour recovery in a fast track, which will take about 3 minutes. So you get the whole recovery in about 3 minutes. At the end of the video, I'll add a couple things to it, kind of the trickier parts that we did, like tying off to a tree. And then there's also one part of the video where the owner of the road shows his business card, and he's quite a character. You might get a kick out of him. Throw it in there. It shouldn't take much just to hold it. Every time I back my chain off, I'm losing about a foot. It slides back down the hole about a foot, so I'm going to try and hold it this time so it doesn't slide back down the hole. We're just about ready to start climbing up with the forklift.
These chains.
Huh?
Got a whole lot of short ones.
Close.
I can stretch another foot out of this chain here if we need to.
We'll make it. Get her tight. Hang on, man. I'll pull on.
Back her off. Gonna lose.
Huh?
I'm gonna put a little pull on it and then tighten it one more time. Come on, reach that over.
We should gain something. Let's see how she looks. The tree doesn't fall over. Yeah, we're good.
Barely got any tension on it.
Okay. Let's disconnect me.
Do a little more. That's good.
Okay, we'll pull all these up. Way over here.
What's that?
we used 2 lines in that sucker with 2 chains. Let's put this back over there. I'm thinking we maybe. One of my biggest concerns now is make sure we get that chain off there. Otherwise we'll be in trouble. Good?
This is camera?
Yeah.
This is a Speedy.
Call me!